Hello, my name is Agnes, and this is my Phase 1 Go React reflection for the DaVinci Turnover Time Reduction Initiative. During Phase 1, my main focus was on two foundational activities: creating my CPE schedule table with tasks and timeline, and completing the RACI chart for my project team members. The first step, developing the CPE schedule table, was essential for structuring the initiative. I began by breaking down the project into four major phases: initiation, planning, implementation, and evaluation. Within each phase, I listed specific tasks and deliverables, such as selecting project team members, conducting baseline data collection on current turnover times, optimizing preference cards, standardizing surgical sets, and staging equipment and supplies. For each of these tasks, I assigned realistic start and end dates that align with the overall 2 to 3 month project duration. This process helped me visualize the progression of work and identify dependencies between tasks. For example, baseline data collection must be completed before process changes can be tested. Having this table in place gives me a clear time-bound roadmap and allows me to track progress against set milestones, making it easier to identify potential delays early. The second major activity in Phase 1 was creating the RACI chart. This was not just a simple role assignment. It required careful consideration of the expertise and availability of each team member. I started by listing all project tasks and deliverables from my CPE schedule table. Then, for each task, I determined who would be responsible for completing the work, who would be accountable for its approval and overall outcome, who should be consulted for their input and expertise, and who should be informed of progress or completion. For example, in the task of optimizing DaVinci preference cards, the OR nurse was assigned as responsible because of their direct knowledge of surgeon-specific needs, while the project lead was accountable for ensuring standardization aligns with hospital policy. The surgical tech was consulted to provide practical insights on tray setup, and the OR manager was informed of changes to maintain transparency. I also used the RACI chart to ensure balance in workload and avoid overburdening one individual. By distributing tasks appropriately, I am helping to maintain team morale and engagement throughout the project. The RACI chart also serves as a communication tool. Everyone knows their role, which reduces the risk of miscommunication or duplicated effort. Overall, these two Phase 1 activities have created a strong foundation for the initiative. The CPE schedule table ensures we have a structured timeline, and the RACI chart ensures that the right people are involved at the right times with clearly defined responsibilities. Together, they set the stage for a smooth transition into Phase 2, where planning will deepen and implementation will begin. Thank you for watching my reflection.